Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screenshots not working on Redmi Note 15. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, click power button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down to and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on additional setting. After click on additional settings, scroll down and click on developer option. Scroll down and search media setting from here. You will see search media setting, media. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix screenshot not working on Redmi Note 15. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.